Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt at home in Crockpot full guide. Heat milk to 180 degrees F, cool to 110 degrees F, whisk in 2 tablespoons starter, transfer to Crockpot, maintain 110 degrees F for 6 to 12 hours. I'll explain milk choice, starter ratios, incubation tips, and how to flavor and chill yogurt for best texture. Follow simple safety and sanitation steps so your yogurt is creamy, tangy, and reliably homemade every time you try this method. Choosing milk and a starter sets the stage for great yogurt, and it's easier than you think when you follow a few clear rules. Use whole milk or 2% for better texture, and always heat milk to 180 degrees F to transform proteins, then cool to 110 degrees F before adding 2 tablespoons of starter per quart. I'll share simple swaps like using skim plus milk powder to mimic whole milk and tips to test culture strength. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy, reliable recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the handy Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and doubles as a travel companion for chilled yogurt smoothies or cultures on the go. Look in the description for the product link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Incubation is where yogurt develops character, and steady temperature is the main secret to success. Aim for 110 degrees F to 115 degrees F and plan for 6 to 12 hours depending on how tangy or thick you want the result. Longer yields tangier yogurt. Use a thermometer probe, insulating towel, or the Crockpot's warm setting to maintain heat. After incubation, cool in the fridge for several hours to firm up texture and improve flavor before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.